Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and have you planned something for a lovely evening? How about a simple Indian menu? I know Indian cuisine is not everybody's choice for Valentine's Day, but why not spice up your lovely evening with some special recipes which are easy to prepare and impress your loved one? I'm going to post 3 delicious recipes till next Friday, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss this Valentine's Day special menu. Today's recipe is going to be a starter which is very simple yet filled with lots of flavors. This recipe is very easy, but only when you follow my tips. So please watch the video till the end, don't miss the tips and tricks, and impress your loved one with this crispy and tasty snack. So let's get started. So to make the papadam rolls, take water in a deep dish and soak one papad at a time and keep it soaked until it's pliable but not overly soft. Lay it on a moist kitchen towel for a few minutes. Repeat the process with all the papadams and cover them with a moist kitchen towel and keep aside. So till then, let's make the filling. So for the filling, take 100 grams of paneer. In a mixing bowl, grate paneer, add capsicum, onions and all the ingredients and mix well. So here a tip for filling. The moisture in the onions make the papad soggy. So serve them right away after frying to enjoy the crispy rolls. And of course, you can be creative with the fillings. You can use boiled potatoes, minced chicken, tofu, whatever you want. And it also applies to the spices. You can use any spices of your choice. So the filling is ready, and now let's start making the rolls. And one more tip. You can choose any type of papad, but first consider the thickness of the papad. I'm using a slightly thicker papad here. But if you are using the ultra thin one, you need not soak them for a few minutes in a moist kitchen towel. Just dip once, pat them dry and start rolling the papads. So this is one of the important tips to be followed to make this recipe. Now to roll the papads, gently apply water on the edges. Place the filling in the center, leaving few inches from the edge. Now roll them tightly just like you would roll a spring roll, making sure to tuck the corners inside. So one more tip. If you feel water is not helping to stick the edges, make a paste out of 1 tablespoon flour with 1.5 tablespoons water and use it to stick the edges so that the filling does not come out while frying. So similarly, finish making the rolls and keep them aside. Now at this point, you can freeze them or fry right away. I'm going to shallow fry, but you can also deep fry the rolls. So heat up 4 tablespoons oil and shallow fry the rolls on all the sides till they turn golden brown in color. And keep turning in between. Now let me tell you the tip for freezing. You can make these rolls ahead and freeze them. For that, roll them with the filling and wrap tightly in a plastic wrap and freeze them. And when you want to fry them, take out from the freezer, thaw for 30 minutes and then fry. But fry them just before you serve so that they remain crisp. Now let's see how crispy they turned out. Did you hear that? Mint yogurt chutney is a perfect dip for these rolls. I'm going to link the recipe, so check it out too. And wasn't that so easy? All the ingredients are easily available. So please do try out and let me know in the comment section below how your papad rolls have turned out. That's all for today, but stay tuned for next 2 recipes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Namaste.